Relying on daily walk-in traffic leaves your order volume to chance. By securing recurring revenue, you move your business toward a consistent, predictable schedule for your staff and your cash flow. In this tutorial, we will configure the CleanPOS dashboard to handle customer retention and recurring orders through a set of automated workflows. We will build this system across 3 pillars: a self-sustaining loyalty program, automated recurring subscriptions, and targeted win-back email campaigns. Before beginning, ensure your Brevo email integration is active. Brevo is the platform CleanPOS uses to send automated transactional and marketing emails to your clients. Replacing manual outreach with these systemized workflows allows you to scale your service volume without increasing the hours your staff spends on administration. First, navigate to the primary customer module. This is the central location for managing individual profiles and service preferences. The system tracks loyalty automatically. As shown on this profile, each customer earns points with every order, which are displayed here next to the gold badge icon. When a customer visits the store, the cashier can see this balance at the checkout screen and apply the points as a discount on the current order. You can also set up a Give £5, Get £5 referral trigger. This automates the process of rewarding customers who bring new clients to your business. These points provide a measurable reason for clients to return to your store, helping to stabilize long-term customer spending patterns. Now, let's go to the VIP customer menu to set up a subscription model for your regular clients. You can set the collection frequency to either a weekly or bi-weekly interval, depending on the customer's needs. Every subscription must be assigned to a specific day of the week. This organizes scattered requests into a structured calendar. By locking subscriptions to these specific days, the system can calculate the most efficient route for your delivery drivers, reducing time on the road. Return to the main order dashboard to finalize how these subscriptions are processed. It is important to note that scheduled subscriptions do not appear on your active tracking board automatically. To generate the tickets for the week, you must manually click the Process Recurring button. This action commands the system to create all due orders at once. This batch processing step turns what would be hours of manual data entry into a single interaction, establishing your revenue baseline for the week ahead. To reach customers who have stopped using your services, move to the Marketing tab. Sending discounts to your entire database can reduce your margins unnecessarily. Instead, use filters to isolate only the clients who haven't visited me. In the filtering menu, uncheck the All Customers box. Select specific segments like inactive and one-timers to ensure your offer reaches the right audience. From here, you can draft a seasonal offer, such as a 2-for-1 deal on coats, that only this specific group will receive. Next, go to the Customer Experience settings to manage your automated communication. Toggle on the Brevo-powered HTML order confirmations and delivery updates. These are formatted emails that include your branding and specific order details, sent automatically as garments move through your shop. Using targeted segments and automated updates allows you to recover dormant accounts while keeping active customers informed without manual follow-ups. With these steps complete, your CleanPOS dashboard now displays a full queue of recurring orders and active loyalty data. While you manage the shop floor, your win-back campaigns work in the background to re-engage past clients. You can now use the VIP reporting features in CleanPOS to analyze these new spending patterns and measure the impact of your automated retention efforts. Shifting these tasks to an automated workflow provides the structure needed to increase your order volume while maintaining low administrative overhead.